Hello, this is Flat Renovation Update, day 42. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So in the bathroom, we can finally see the Hansgrohe basin mixer. This is still covered, and here's the shower head. I'll just switch it on for now and show it to you. Oops, but we'll take another look at that at another time when all of this is tidied up. In the rest of the flat, it looks like they have fixed up this wall a bit further, and let's see what's been done in here. Okay, still pretty much looking the same, still needs to be painted. What else? I think that's it. Oh, the front door. Let me show you the front door. So we finally have the lower lock on. So now we've got 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure if they're all working yet, but we get in there. Oh, and we've also got this cover and that cover installed.